All right, this just came in today, and it's our JTOP's cover for the Bronco. And we're just pulling this thing out.
Oh wow.
There it is, right there. Oh, and this is it.
Yeah,
the box is empty. And this is our new cover for the
Yay.
what's that? For the Bronco. No, but like, what do you call that? The cover top.
Yeah, the top.
Yep.
So we can remove the convertible and this will be basically our roof.
Yep.
So we don't get burned.
Yep, exactly.
Oh, this is nice.
Yep.
It's really, oh, it has 3 amps.
Yep.
Oh no, so we have to stick it?
Oh no, it's Velcro.
Oh, it's Velcro.
Right
Oh,
there.
okay, good.
Yeah, that would suck.
I
No,
know.
and then we also have this.
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll do it later.
It looks sturdy. It's thick material. It's thick mesh.
Yep. Oh, guess where it's made in?
Made in USA.
Yep. So this is how it looks like, or half of it.
Yeah.
And here's the instructions right here.
We have
JTOP's USA. You just gotta scan for installation videos right here. All right, guys. So we're now removing this, and we just finished removing that part. So we're just removing this, and we actually already placed the Velcro part right here, because earlier we kind of like measured it already. So we just put the other Velcro here at the back, and we made sure that there's space between the thing that we just removed for the convertible, and now we'll just do it in the other side. So she's now doing it on this side. There you go.
There you go.
Cool. All right, let's do the next part.
Yep.
So we're now putting the JTOP and hooking it up. Yeah. So first we're gonna, well, she already hooked it up in that side, and now I'm just gonna hook it up on that.
And then now we're gonna have to hook these 2 hooks in the
these
side.
2 hooks there, and that hook to the side, and then we hook it up right there. So that hook, we hook it up. See if I can do it one hand. I got I'm holding the camera in one hand. Oh, there. I hooked it up. It's pretty easy while holding. Oh, and guys, there's magnets right here. These are all magnets already. Yep.
Okay.
All right, so what's next?
Next is we're just gonna lay it out.
Lay it out.
Yeah.
All right, we're gonna lay it out. So we just finished laying it out, but we haven't Velcroed it yet. And the magnets are already sticking to the vehicle already, or to the roof. And then now, what are we doing here?
So now we would have to like really pull it.
All right, now she's pulling it, stretching it out.
Yeah, stretching it out in place.
There you go. You guys have the opportunity to Velcro, to Velcro it too, if you guys want. It's gonna look like that, but with us, we're not gonna do it because we already have our straps for our net. So she's gonna just strap it.
Yeah, I'm just gonna strap it inside.
She's just gonna strap it like that.
Yeah.
So right now she unbuckled our net.
Yeah.
And
so there's 2 buckles here for the JTOP.
All right. So
and
there's
then,
2 buckles for the JTOP.
So what you need to do, pull.
She's pulling it.
And then
buckle
it here. And then just adjust it to be very tight so it won't fly.
All right, cool. or make a weird sound.
Yeah. There you go.
There you
then
go.
I'll just adjust it to be more tighter.
So we're now going to buckle the side, right?
Side. Yeah, so this one have like a buckle here.
All right.
So what you need to do, you have to put it in the inside here.
Okay. Through there.
And then through here.
Cool.
And then you can adjust it the way you want.
All right.
I think it's too tight now. Let me unloosen it a little bit.
finish adjusting it and ready to buckle. There.
There you go.
We're now doing the other side.
Yeah.
The same process.
Yeah.
Same thing. But after that, we shall pull this and then Velcro it now. There you go.
You need to pull it hard.
All right, I'm pulling it hard as much as I can with one hand. So we're pulling it. There you go. All right, this side is good. How's your side?
It's good.
Good. All right, now this side. So after we Velcro all the sides, this is how it looks like. Nice and sturdy.
Yeah.
Her side is the same, and look how stretched out
Yeah,
and sturdy.
It's really stretch out now.
Sturdy this is. So that's cool. All right. So what's next? The
Next is
the screws.
yeah.
All right. Now we gotta put this back now on both sides.
All right.
That was cool. Look at that.
I know, and I think this will now still protect from flying.
Oh yeah. Guys, this is really like this ain't going nowhere.
Yeah.
All right. So we're now just putting this back on.
Yeah.
Just hand screwing it, and we already did
The other side.
the
here.
other side. That's just
Yeah.
hand screwed or hand tight.
But the magnets for this
Oh yeah, that's the
net-
other layer of
yeah,
protection.
it's really they said it's like the industrial grade.
Oh really? There.
There you go.
That's this
Wow.
Is it. It's all
Yeah.
bouncy now. Oh yeah, and I don't know if we mentioned we use this.
Yeah.
It's all from the Bronco accessories.
Accessories.
Yeah.
There you go, guys. It's really tight now. Let me zoom it out a little bit. There you go.
So we just finished unvelcroing our net because we are going to remove our convertible soft top for now and see how it's like. All right, let's do this.
There.
And last one. We already finished unbolting all three of them. Actually, all six of them, including this.
Yeah.
Yeah. So now we just gotta take our molly system out and
Remove the convertible.
remove the convertible, and that's it.
Okay.
All right, let's do this. We finally removed this. Man, it was so heavy.
That was so heavy.
So this is how it looks like right here. Whew. Huge difference though. Huh.
Yeah.
Big difference. This is how it looks like from the top. Right there. So cool.
So we're test driving, and so far, so good. It's
Just kinda
holding
cold
up.
right now,
Yeah,
though,
it's
but-
kind of cold, but it's holding up though. It's really holding up good. Wow. Awesome.
Sounds smooth too.
Yes.
Alright guys, so after installing the JTOP and removing the convertible, we went to Wingstop to
Yep.
treat ourselves out.
Yeah.
Yep. Alright, let's do this. And of course, you could hear the exhaust more too. Yeah, and if you guys are wondering how I got this, I got dinged pretty hard when I was trying to remove the recovery track. I wasn't paying attention, and one of the spikes in the recovery track got my left eyebrow, but it's all good.